Like, I thought it was going to be a lot more painful.
I'm ready for it, honestly. Oh my goodness gracious.
We'll start over here. And she was moving already, just with the distracting here. Okay. Let's get a little bit, drop a little bit lower on this side. There we go. So I stand up in that y-axis direction, and we get this very good distraction here. Good. A little bit higher here, T1 on the right. Perfect. Okay. Yep, just relax here.
Aw, that felt so good.
We're going to start with the T2 on her left side here. Good. How'd that feel?
Great.
Good. All right, we're going to drop down T3 on the right. There we go. Alrighty. So from here, we're going to decompress. Good. Drop down to a T2 on the right. Good.
Oh, wow.
Breathe from a deep breath in. Exhale out. There we go. We're gonna drop down on that right side now at T3 here. There it was.
Oh, whoa. Wow.
Didn't I tell you?
Yeah, that was...
Relax for a minute. So we're gonna start the adjustment off just like this. There we go. Got a lot of good movement there. And it felt a little bit lower, about T3 on the right for her, right through here. There was just a little one there. And we're gonna do the distraction.
Oh, that felt so good. Oh my God.
And breathe.
Oh man.
Okay. Good.
Oh dang. Oh.
And breathe. There we go. Relax right there. Deep breath in and hump.
Oh.
And we're gonna start with the T2 on that left side. We're gonna drop to a T3 on the right.
Wow.
And just relax right there.
Oh my god. Oh, that sounds. Oh. Oh.
Drop down just a little bit on that right side here. Good. Okay.
Oh shit. Sorry. Oh my gosh.
Good. Drop down to a T3 on the right. Good. There. Good. Drop to a T2 on the right. There we go. Going all the way down here. Good. We're gonna go to T1 on the right here. There we go.
Oh.
And take a deep breath. Good. A little bit tight, but that's exactly where a lot of her pain is coming from. So we will definitely get that moving. Yeah, very tight through the neck there, and that's. Yep, and just relax here.
Oh my god. Okay.
Okay. And breathe. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Oh yeah, it's shocking. And breathe. And breathe. And breathe. Good. There we go. Good. We're gonna get the other side here. There it is. There it was. Perfect.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Okay, so we're going to start up on that T2 on that left side here. Good. Drop down to the T3 on the right. There we go. And just breathe.